Data is the lifeblood of any project, but managing it, that's another story. With Sodelic, managing data from any source is easy. No more searching through emails, Excel sheets, or whiteboards. Start by importing your Excel sheets directly into Sodelic, effortlessly bringing all that scattered data into one unified space. Then, invite your collaborators to contribute directly in Sodelic. No more endless email chains, just real-time collaboration that keeps everything on track. Got a whiteboard full of ideas? Simply upload it as a record in Sodelic and convert it into structured requirements for everyone to reference. And when your data is ready, sharing is just as simple. Export in any format: CSV, Word, PDF, or JSON, whatever works best for you. Even better, Sodelic integrates seamlessly with your business systems. Access your data through open API keys and easily automate workflows, keeping everything connected and efficient. Sodelic makes it easy to manage and share data, so your projects stay organized and adaptable. No matter the source, your data is always ready to go.